Apps are an integral part of our smartphones. Over time, they generate valuable data like chats, your game progress, etc. Now, when we switch to a new phone, the usual backups may not include all data. It especially stands true for WhatsApp. Normally, you will have to manually install them one by one, which is time consuming and laborious. And that's exactly why in this video, I'm going to showcase an amazing tool known as AppTrans that will let you transfer, backup, and restore app data in just few clicks. And the best part is that you can do all this without paying a single dime. Sounds cool, right? So let's see how it works. AppTrans is a pretty nifty and powerful tool that works cross-platform. It comes in handy when switching from one iPhone to another iPhone or an Android smartphone and vice versa. When you launch the app, you see 4 options neatly mentioned in the left sidebar: App Transfer, App Restore, App Backup, App Install. So let's have a look on how these features work. Starting with the app transfer works flawlessly between iPhone and Android. Simply connect the target device and the new device to your Mac or PC and open the AppTrans app. Go to the App Transfer menu and select the Transfer Now option. The software will detect the source and target device. If they are in the wrong direction, then use the switch key to make changes. Select the Transfer Now button and wait for the process. The estimated time will be based on the number of apps you are trying to transfer from one device to another. The app transfer function is also available for WhatsApp transfer. Data can be transferred very comprehensively, including text, images, voice, video, and all WhatsApp content. You can also go ahead and print the WhatsApp data for convenience. Moving towards the app backup feature. Now, if you are running out of space on your Android or iPhone, using AppTrans, you can simply back up all the data from phone to computer using a single click. You can also selectively back up the app data to the PC or Mac. Every backup is stored locally and will never be deleted or overwritten. So you can keep all the versions of apps and all app data if you want, in case you need them someday. A backup brings you much more benefits. Apart from retrieving lost data, it also gives you a chance to reinstall the app that's no longer available in the App Store. AppTrans offers 3 ways to restore app data on your iPhone or Android device. You can either restore data from the AppTrans backup file, restore it from iCloud, or use the WhatsApp Restore option to specifically move WhatsApp data from the PC or Mac to the mobile. Using AppTrans Restore, you can selectively restore exactly what you need from the backup. The last feature is the app install feature. Now, there are times when you want to install a specific app, but either it is not available on the Play Store or it has been removed. AppTrans takes care of that as well. As long as you have the IPA, APK or XAPK files, you can install them on your iPhone or Android phones with a click. Conversely, you can also export favorite apps from iOS or Android devices to the computer. Each app with its data is saved in a separate folder, so you can easily install them on other phones or tablets even if they are removed from the App Store. AppTrans is available on both Windows and Mac. And as for app transfer, it supports Android and iOS. Also, as I mentioned earlier, that it's a free app to use because most of the main features like app transfer, backup, and restore is available for free. Only cross OS app and app data transfer need to upgrade to the Pro version. If you want more features and control, then you can opt for the premium version as follows. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, please do consider subscribing, liking, and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.